Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Dragon Age crashing and lagging issue. At first, what you want to do is search up for the game itself. Since I don't have it, I'm going to use Valorant as an example. You want to head over to the open file location, right click on it, head over to open file location one more time. From there, whatever the application is, you want to right click on that, go to properties, compatibility. Make sure disable full screen optimizations is turned on. Also, you want to make sure you want to run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and then OK and see if this fixes the issue for you. If it does not, then what you need to do next is head over to control panel, and then from there you want to search for network and sharing center. Then what you want to do is click on changed adapter settings. Now whatever you're using, whether it be Wi-Fi or Ethernet, it's recommended that you use Ethernet for better internet quality, because Wi-Fi, the ping can lag and it's not really the most stable one. You want to right click on whatever you use, whether it be Wi-Fi or Ethernet, go to properties, double click on your internet protocol version 4. Now there are two things. What you need to do for that first is head over to CMD, run as administrator. Yes, you want to ping two things. You want to type in ping 8.8.8.8, let it load. Next up, you want to ping 1.1.1.1 and then let that load as well. As you can see, for my 8.8.8.8, the minimum maximum average is 26, whereas for my 1.1.1.1, my average is 3 ms, which means that I'm getting better ping for Cloudflare, and this is by Google, but you don't need to know all of that. What you need to do is whatever you got the least for, you want to click on use the following DNS. Like for you, opt-in DNS will be selected. You want to click on this one. If your Google, which means 8.8.8 was lower, you want to type in 8.8.8.8 over here, and then in alternate you want to type in 8.8.4.4, this one. And if your 1.1 was lower, you want to type in 1.1.1.1, and you want to type in 1.0.0.1 right over here, and then click on OK, and this should fix the issue for you, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.